Čaute, sme tu na Donovaloch na druhom kole slovenského pohára vo freestyle v disciplíne Big Air. Stretávame sa tu všetci freeskieri a snowboardisti, old school jazdci, aj malé deti a poďme na to.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.
Dnes to bolo na jednotku, videli sme tu svetové triky a vidíme sa budúci víkend v Jasnej na World Rookie Tour a Slovenskom pohári. Čaute.